Honda's been in for its MOT today, and it's passed.
Is it clean sheet?
Clean sheet, no advisories, so we're well happy with that. Kieran's here with me today. He's going to help me machine polish the car, get it all ready, because this one's going to be going up for sale, if you're interested.
So today we're going to be doing a two-stage polish. We've got our cutting compound from 3M. So we'll do the green cutting compound first, get rid of all the scratches and scuffs. And then we've got second, which will get rid of all of the swell marks from this polisher. So any light swells you'll see will be removed from this one. Right, so just saying, I'm not actually a detailer, so if I'm doing it wrong, you can say in the comments and pick fault or whatever you want. So we're just gonna...
He is.
it's not coming out very well. I've seen him do it on YouTube before. You're meant to do a few blobs. And then...
I heard you meant to make a smiley face with it.
Oh, it's better already. So all we're doing...
It looks incredible.
He's just buffing it. Just bringing the shine of the lacquer down.
Kieran doesn't trust me with a big one, so I've got a little baby one.
So what we're going to do now is we're just going to put the tape on, we're going to mop up to it just to show you the before and after. A hard edge will make it look a lot better. So we'll quickly do that and then we'll do an after shot. You see the difference?
Yes, if you look to your left, this has had the two-stage mop done. If you look to the right, you can see the line down here. If you listen to this, it sounds horrible and it feels horrible. If you listen to that, nothing. Nice and smooth. Do we have your consent to put your van on our YouTube?
Yes, fine.
What, your birthday?
No, you know when my birthday is, it's before yours.
Oh yeah, that's true. So if you're wondering where all my money goes, have a little look in here.
Not me.
It's like Aladdin's cave, isn't it?
It is Aladdin's cave. With sweets.
Oh no!
You silly boy.
Just going to give you another example where you can see how bad this spoiler is. See all the marks in it. I'm going to give this a whip over and then show you the results. The Honda EP3 is done at long last. So Kieran's here, just going to go through a few things, what we've done to the car. So we purchased the car and we did get it for a good price. It was £1,000. It was in a very poor state, big MOT failure, failed on welding, both the floors had gone, suspension, brake pipes, brakes, you name it, it had it on there. So we've gone right through the car now, painted bumpers, refurbed the headlight, wheels have all been done, and a full machine polish as well to bring up the paintwork of the vehicle too.
Clean sheet on the MOT, clean bill of health.
All ready for the road. As you can see, the paintwork is squeaky clean, apart from this wing, because it's got loads of stone chips on it. Wheels, refurbished. Clean bumpers, new badges, apart from that one because Kieran broke it.
The
Type R has got 2 litre VTEC, 198 horsepower. Not the fastest thing in the world, but back in 2002, these were pretty tasty. My grandma's mobility scooter's probably got more power than this in today's money. That's not a diss towards Type R's, is it? Or is it a little diss? Maybe a little one. So how much did it all cost? The car itself we bought for £1,000. Don't forget it was an MOT failure. Brakes, tyres, suspension, all of them parts has probably come in at around £600. And then we've got all the bodywork, so totally restoring front bumper, rear bumper, refurbing this headlight as well, which you remember back in the previous video, it had all gone yellow, the front of it. So we haven't replaced that, it's all been repaired. And the wheels refurbed, so we reckon that the bodywork and paints come in at just under £1,000. Wheel refurbishment was 250 quid, so we've got a total of about just under £3,000 we've spent on the car now. There or thereabouts, you know, there's a few other costs like painting the wipers and stuff like that. So we're gonna look to list a car for, we think, a very reasonable £5,000. We think that's a pretty fair price considering what it is and what they're actually going for on the market. We have to remember this is a 2-owner car as well. The lady who had this last had it for 21 years and it has got full Honda history with this one as well. We're going to put the link for the ad in the description. Done, dusted, finitoed, finished.